Hello everyone. This is how the ships looks like in dry dock. So we are in the dry dock yard. Ito ang bulk namin. Bulk vessel. So this was already cleaned and just started painting. Okay, yeah. So this is the propeller of the ship on the water. So nalinisan na. Na-measure na rin kanina. The other day. And then napinturahan. So this is how it looks like. So, to have an idea on how the ships looks like in dry dock. So ito yung sa ilalim ng tubig, kaya hindi natin makikita. So because usually when the ships sail, sa ibabaw lang nakikita natin. Ito kasi ang sa lubog. So may dito nakikita natin ang ilalim ng barko. This is how it looks like. Okay, so ito yung katabi niya na barko. Barge ito. This is the barge na. And then nakapatong ito sa yard. The propeller was wrapped to that it was newly polished. And yung rudder, and it was also check the clearance before it was clean and painted fully. And dito sa kabilang side ng barge, yan, walang propeller dito, walang wala itong makina. So it was being towed by the tugboat. So makita din namin, unlike doon sa kabila, sa amin may propeller. So yan, wala itong hinihilang ito ng tugboat. Ayan.
Sir, okay na sir, okay na.
Okay na. Ano, iikot din pa ba yan o hindi na?
Ito na, tama na to, hindi na namin ito i-galawin.
Pag tinanggal yung dalawang bolt ba? Sa piston pin ba? Sa connecting rod, okay na yung position na yan.
Kaya na siguro to? Kaya
Sige, akitan ko.
I am communicating the engineers inside the ship because we are pulling out the piston and we need to monitor the propeller outside while turning the piston. We need the exact position of the piston to pull it out. That is the reason why we are communicating in radio. So we move forward sa barkong ito. Ayan, makikita natin na nandito ang barko, naka-dry dock. So, ito yung pinakilalim ng barko. So tatlo kami magkasabay dito sa dock na ito. So this is how it's like. So newly painted na. And then next few days, lalagyan ito ng tubig. They'll put in water and then start undocking. So to have the idea of how the bottom of the ships looks like here. So minsan lang natin makita ito pag dry dock. Okay, so ang laki ng barko. Nakapatong na siya sa kahoy dito sa yard. Okay. So if you can see, may stabilizer sa gilid ng barko. Ang purpose ito ay para hindi ganong maalon o malikot ang barko. Ayan yung pinakailalim. So nakapato lang talaga sa kahoy ito. Itong bark na ito. At itong kulay blue, almost complete na ito. Naon na ito sa amin.
Okay. Ayan, meron yung barko na gano'n. Ulan. Okay.
Ayan, malamig po dyan sa lugar na yan. Kaya balat na balat ako. So kailangan din ng safety helmet. So safety first talaga. Kailangan dyan sa yard. Hindi lang sa yard, pati rin sa loob ng barko.
Balik tayo.
So, this is the complete area of the docking yard of the ships. And dry na ito ngayon. So, once the ships undocking here, so there is, they put water. So, kaya ayan, nasa ilalim siya na nakapaligid na semento. So, this is a docking area.
Ayan tayo. Ayan yung mga barko. Laki o. Ano.
So yung black.
Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe to my channel. See you on my next vlog.